Wanna go? Come. Step up.
I can't.
We should wash this car, eh? Sit down. Don't stand up.
What?
Because car gonna be driving. Oh my god.
Wait, where do I hold on?
Fun?
It smells like poop though.
Right now we're sitting at the back of the pickup truck. And they're driving at 60 kilometers per hour. Woohoo! Maybe. What's the speed limit? I mean, what is the odometer? Speedometer. Can I see it? Feel like we're driving at 60 kilometers per hour. Woo!
I feel like we're going backwards.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Laos way. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Someone gonna stay in Laos too now. Wow. I don't know. Oh, total darkness. You okay? Kim? She's sleepy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I thought they just turned on the radio inside. I was like, wow, that's loud. Hey, there's a loud golf tower.
This thing cannot be done in Canada, okay?
We don't have a truck that size.
This can only be done in Laos. Oh. Con này vui hơn xe túc túc nữa mà. Yeah? This is more fun than tuk tuk.
My face is numb.
Your face is numb.
That's what I'm
See
doing.
See that hair?
Oh, your hair? Spike up?
This goes too slow.
Ah, red light.
I can't see.
Now it's about what, 9:30 in Vientiane, Laos. And we're riding on the back of the pickup truck. So fun and so illegal. In Canada though.
Right? Just in Canada?
Yes.
Stealth mission.
Have you ever done this before?
Nope. First time.
The first
First time. Can you see me?
No, I said see your mouth.
Just in my mouth.
There you go.
There you go. Bumpy road. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh. How's our passengers? Are you okay? Oh. Yeah. Roller coaster now. You okay?
Truck is vibrating.
Are you okay? Well, you okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
You could like put a trailer.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Midnight.
Oh.
Why don't they make a road?
I know. Why don't they make a road? Paved road. They have money, but they don't have money. You know what I mean?
Or like just a grass road that's even.
Well, can't be this again.
Are we here?
Are we here? I don't know. I don't even remember.
Huh?
No, we're not here. We're next.
Đường thành phố giống như đường dưới quê quá.
Ha. Có tiền mà nhưng không có tiền hả? Thấy không? Ồ, này ông đi đường tắt.
Oh yeah, this is the way we took before. Dad.
No, we did not take this one. We never took this one. Jeez, this is brand new. Oh, oh, oh. Ở đây là downtown, cái giống gì kỳ vậy trời? Cái này là trung tâm thành phố cái gì mà kỳ vậy? Man, this called downtown. Vientiane.
Whoa, that's a bamboo house.
Bamboo house. Oh. Uh-oh. Where are we going? Lại coi, lại coi.
I'm at Vientiane.
Vientiane, Laos. And I'm riding on the back of a pickup truck. And I'm having fun.
Oh yes.
And I'm drunk. Not yet.
Yes. This is the first foreign abroad.
Jackie, don't stick your hand out.
Oh, don't stick your hands out.
Airplane.
Maybe Jackie drunk only drink one bottle, half a bottle of 7-Up.
Yeah.
I drink the other half. We ate Sunday on, what day is it?
Wednesday.
Today is Tuesday.
We ate Sundays on
Oh,
Wednesday.
Thursday.
We ate Sundays
March break
on,
is almost over.
Huh?
March break is almost over.
Yeah.
we ate Sundays on Thursdays.
Get ready. Get ready for homework.
I already have
Yeah.
it. Jackie doesn't get any homework.
You check the website for your homework?
She doesn't have a website.
No? You don't have a website? Only you have a website?
Yeah.
Xanh là chốn đây,
No, Vin.
thiên đàng có cây,
Chicken.
kìa muôn bầy thú hoang vẫn luôn đùa trong bóng cây.
Chicken.
Chicken. Why chicken in there?
Today we saw chick, you know, a baby chick.
Duckling. Duckling.
A duckling.
More than one duckling.
Yeah, I saw like a
Whole
box,
bunch of ducklings.
2 boxes full of ducklings.
And you want to buy it to bring to Canada?
No.
No?
I had ducklings in grade 1.
Yeah?
You ate ducklings.
You ate duckling. You ate duckling in grade 1?
No, we kept
Or
us
dumpling.
Oh, we're almost there. No, we're not. To the red lights. What?
Are we running the red light? Hey, there's a dog.
How far is it to our place?
How far we had to go to